Have you ever stopped to consider what your most valuable asset truly is? Many of us spend our lives chasing financial security. We build savings, invest in stocks, plan for a comfortable retirement. We understand the language of money, of profit and loss, of assets and liabilities. But what about the wealth that allows us to enjoy all of it? I am talking about your health. We often treat our health like a given, something that will always be there until it suddenly is not. But health is not a passive state. It is an active account, one that requires our daily attention and care. Imagine at the start of each day, you are handed a ledger for your health bank account. Every action you take is recorded on one side or the other. Visual anchor, on the deposit side, and the withdrawal side. On the deposit side, you have habits that nourish, restore, strengthen your body and mind. On the withdrawal side, you have actions that deplete, stress, weaken your system. The balance at the end of the day, week, or year determines your overall health. This simple metaphor makes health tangible. It gives us a clear framework for making better choices, not out of guilt, but out of a desire to build our reserves. Getting a full night of quality sleep is a major deposit. Drinking enough water throughout the day is a simple, effective deposit. Moving your body in a way that feels good, a gentle walk, a few minutes of stretching. Eating a meal that includes fresh vegetables is a deposit. Taking a few moments to sit in silence and breathe deeply is a powerful deposit that counteracts stress. Chronic stress, late-night scrolling, sugary drinks, and hours without moving are withdrawals. The key is not to eliminate all withdrawals, life happens, but to ensure your deposits consistently outweigh them. If daily habits are deposits, then quality sleep is the compounding interest on your entire health account. It is the silent, powerful force that works overnight to multiply the value of your investments. During sleep, your body is not just dormant, it is incredibly active, repairing muscle tissue, consolidating memories, regulating hormones, clearing out metabolic waste from your brain. A good night's sleep is like having a team of expert financial advisors working for free. Without this interest, your account can stagnate or even decline. Think about how you feel after a night of deep restorative sleep. Your mind is clearer. Your mood is more stable. You have the energy to face the day's challenges. According to research, such as a 2021 study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, consistent lifestyle interventions with sleep as a cornerstone are critical for preventing chronic disease. Making a deposit into your sleep account doesn't have to be complicated. The first step is to prioritize it. Start by aiming for a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Create a restful environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens, phones, tablets, televisions, for at least an hour before bed. Blue light can interfere with melatonin. If 8 hours feels daunting, go to bed 15 minutes earlier, then add another 15. Read, listen to calm music, or stretch. Treat these as the final, most important deposits of your day. In finance, liquid assets are accessible cash. In your health account, gentle movement and proper hydration are your liquidity. They improve circulation, aid digestion, lubricate joints, and deliver vital nutrients to every cell. Without them, your system becomes sluggish, like a business with poor cash flow. The modern world encourages sitting. The antidote isn't intensity. For health wealth, consistency trumps intensity. Make small, frequent deposits, a 10-minute walk, a few stretches each hour, or one song of dancing. If you have low energy, chronic pain, or illness, pace yourself. Sitting and standing 5 times, reaching overhead, or walking to the end of the driveway are valid and important. Hydration is beautifully simple. Start your day with a glass of water, carry a bottle, and swap one sugary drink for water. When hydrated, you have more energy, healthier skin, and a clearer mind. It is a simple exchange that pays immediate health dividends. Every financial account has expenses. One of the largest and most persistent is stress. Chronic stress acts like a high-interest loan, constantly draining your resources. It triggers hormones like cortisol, leading to fatigue, poor sleep, and a weakened immune system. Managing this expense isn't about eliminating stress, it's about strategies that reduce its impact. The most accessible tool is your breath. Try this. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat 3 to 5 times. This simple practice can lower your heart rate and reduce the withdrawal. Spend a few minutes in nature, listen to calming music, or connect with a friend, small deposits that add up. Nourishment is the other side of expenses. High-quality foods are efficient fuel and do not need to be complicated. Add, don't subtract. One more vegetable, a piece of fruit, simple snacks like nuts, a hard-boiled egg, or a smoothie. Why does a small habit performed daily create more lasting change than a massive effort done once in a while? The answer lies in the power of consistency. Our bodies and brains thrive on routine. Repetition builds systems and carves new neural pathways. A single, intense 2-hour workout can be a deposit followed by a withdrawal. But a 10-minute walk every day builds momentum without draining your account. Think of it like watering a plant. Small daily water nourishes the roots. A rare deluge runs off or harms them. Over a year, a 10-minute daily walk adds up to over 60 hours of movement. One extra glass of water daily adds up to over 90 gallons. As a 2022 study in BMC Medicine notes, even small amounts of daily physical activity can meaningfully improve quality of life for those with chronic illness. This principle frees busy lives, limited energy, and chronic conditions from perfection pressure. A 5-minute daily stretch beats a monthly class. One daily glass of water beats a weekend detox. Anyone, regardless of energy or circumstance, can choose one small thing to do consistently. Consistency is the secret that turns small actions into profound results. You are now the chief financial officer of your own well-being. You understand the assets, the expenses, the power of compounding interest, the supreme value of consistency. Now it is time to create your personal health investment plan. This plan doesn't need to be complex. It starts with one decision. It starts today. Choose one small, manageable deposit. Water by your bed, a 1-minute hourly stretch, turn off your phone 15 minutes before bed, or take 3 slow breaths when stressed. The easier it is, the more likely you will stick with it. The objective is not perfection. It is persistence. Each time you complete your action, acknowledge it. I just made a deposit into my health account. Once your first habit feels automatic, add another. Build a portfolio of healthy habits. Every small deposit is a gift to your future self. 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. More resilience, a clearer mind, and more capacity for joy. Start with one small deposit. Do it today, do it again tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. A disclaimer. This video provides educational content for informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting any exercise, nutrition, or wellness program. Please subscribe, like, share the video for more Body Bucks investments.